students. Now I am discussing set theory, which is a different branch of mathematics, was developed by George Cantor. In set theory, we define a collection of well-defined objects which are obviously distinct. This branch of mathematics empowered or coordinates all the branches of science, economics, technology, computer science, probability, commerce, and modern sciences. So this chapter is very much important as because modern mathematics is based on these properties. Now let us define what is set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. What we mean about well-defined? Well-defined means our object should be clearly identified. Suppose we are stating the set of students. Here only students are included. A, B, C. Suppose the name of the students. Here chair, table or teachers cannot be never be considered. We only considered about the students, and all the items, all the objects are distinct. Now write how we express a set. Generally, capital letter is identified as a set, name of the set. Suppose A is a set, it is generally write in two forms. One, roster form, roster or tabular form. Of the type A equals to second bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say. All these are called objects or members of the set A. It is a set, any set of the form. Suppose B is a set A, E, I, O, U. Set of vowels. Suppose set of natural numbers. All are in tabular form. And another form is set builder form. Set builder form, how it can we write? This set can also be written as n equals to x, such as x belongs to n. A can be written as x. This colon also used as that x belongs to n and x greater equals to 1, x equals to 5. So B can also be written in this form. This is called set builder form or rules method. Now we see how many types of sets are there. Since you know the set, I already told you, the set is very important chapter. So you must know the very definition of sets, how to write it, and what are types of sets. First we write universal set. Universal set, it is written mathematically written as U equals to set of all students of your school. All the students of your school are included here. Suppose A 1 2 3 4 5. So we see A is a subset of N. Not yet discussed subset. Now we will discuss what is subset. Secondly, we learn null set or empty set. Is written as phi. Mathematically, the notation is phi. Phi is written as only this. Here is no element. A set is a null set if it has no element. So how we can write? Suppose a phi set, suppose a set is written as X such that X belongs to I and X lies between 2 and 3. Clearly you know there is no such integer between 2 and 3 which satisfies this. So obviously A is a null set. Now we define finite set. Finite set, a set whose elements are finite, number of elements are finite. Suppose A 1 2 3 4 5. Here 5 elements, so it is a finite set. Similarly, we can write infinite set. Set of natural numbers 1 2 3 up to infinity. You know all are included, all are considered as natural numbers. So set of natural numbers is an infinite set. Similarly, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of real numbers, all are infinite set. Now let us consider the definition cardinal number. Cardinal number of a set. Here A contains 5 elements and cardinal number is written as Na. Cardinal number equals to 5. Here number of elements of a set is called cardinal number of that set and Na is equals to 5. Here n of capital N equals to infinity. So here number of elements such infinite, so that is why it is called infinite set. Now consider equivalent set. Equivalent sets. Two sets A and B called equivalent if Na equals to Nb. That is cardinal number of A equals to cardinal number of B. That is number of elements of A equals to number of elements of B. Suppose A is a set of even numbers 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8 and B 3, 6, 9, 12. Clearly Na equals to equals to NB. So these two sets are equivalent sets. Now we know equal sets. Equality of sets or equal sets. A and B are called equal sets if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Now we will discuss what is about subset. That is, in other words, we can write A if every element of A, suppose A 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is a set of 3, 4, 1, 2. Clearly every element of A is an element of B and every element of B is an element of A. Hence A equals to B. Subsets. A set A is called a subset of B if every element of A is an element of B. Then we call A is a subset of B and written as in this notation. Similarly, proper subset. If proper subset A, this notation is called contained in or subset of B. Proper subset means no equality is there. Every element of A is an element of B, but there exists at least one element of B which does not belong to A. It is called proper subset. Now we consider another definition, power set. Power set, it is also very important for school going students and class 10 level students. What is power set? It is written as P of A. Suppose A is a set of 3 elements A, B, C. That here number of elements Na equals to 3. Here Pa, so P number of elements of Pa, there is a formula 2 to the power n. Here n equal to 3. So number of elements of Pa equal to 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. And what are the elements? The elements of power set is written as, first you write A and phi. After that single element, then taking 2, this set is called power set and written as PA. So students, I am giving thanks to all my subscribers and request you all to share my videos to your students, friends and associates, and request those who are not at this point of time not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and see all the videos properly to create interest on this subject. And I like to say you, please write if you face any problem to your comment, and I am assuring you I will give the solution immediately. Thank you.